Ma'am is here. Can you stop share the screen?
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, very good morning to you. Just give me 2 minutes, huh? Yeah. Good morning to everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes. Am I visible to everyone? Yeah, kids, listen.
Yes.
Actually,
Yeah.
I got a severe network issues at my place because at 10 o'clock session also I have faced a lot of connectivity issues. So in case it happens in this session, just don't go away, okay? Be there in the class. I'll be joining again. Fine? Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, just don't go away. I hope it like the class goes smoothly, the session goes smoothly, but I cannot tell you. In the previous class, I had a great connectivity issues. Sidra, you got nice hair.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, what I'll do is I'm turning off my video so that my the class works smooth. Okay, but I'll be audible. Hello.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Because of the network issue, huh? That's why I'm doing it. Doesn't mean that you should also turn off your camera and sit. I want to see everybody. But due to my connectivity issue, I'm turning off my camera. Otherwise, I would have kept open only. Okay?
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Hello, Umar. How are you? I'm seeing you after a long
Fine.
time. Where were you?
Ma'am, I was at my village, so I didn't have good internet.
No, it's okay, but where were you? I'm just asking you, you went for roaming or what? You were out?
I had gone to my village to make my passport.
Oh, wow. Very nice. Enjoyed?
Yes.
Okay, lovely. So you got a good holidays, in short. Yes, Umar?
Yeah. What?
You got good holidays, right? You were traveling.
Yes.
Yes. Good. Now back to
I
school.
couldn't. Wednesday I came, but Wednesday I did not come.
Okay.
Because because I was in the train.
Oh, it's okay, beta. It's okay. No issues. I have like you can see, go through the recording, and if you have
Ma'am,
any, yeah.
on fraction, you can send assignments of
Who's saying that? Humaira.
Humara.
Beta,
That's
listen.
solving a question.
Yeah, listen, beta. What I'm saying. The division, fraction represents division. That part you're saying, na?
Yes.
How do we
yes.
reduce? Okay, you want the worksheet now? I'll send you. Just give me tomorrow's time. Okay? I'm
Okay.
little occupied today. Tomorrow definitely will do it. Pakka.
Ma'am, in tuition, I want to do that.
So tomorrow we'll do.
It's okay.
Okay, it's okay. Tomorrow I'll upload. Even others will practice.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. I'll make a point, whatever we are doing. So Saturday, Sunday, I'll upload your assignment. So you can do it in a week.
Okay.
Okay? Because you have other subjects also, na? If I give you for every day, then you'll be like, ma'am, kitna homework dete ho? How much homework do you give? We should keep doing only maths for the whole day. Mustafa, how are you?
With what is going on this class?
Why don't you turn on your camera? Look, Humaira, I have a network issue. Then too, I've kept my camera on because I'm not feeling like to go off. Otherwise, I know what you kids will do. I have a severe network issue. Yes, that's lovely. That day you were popping into Yasir's session, Humaira. I saw you. Mariam, nice background. What's that, Mariam?
It's Peppa Pig.
Lovely. Even Sidra. Sidra, you love maths so much.
Yes, but for more like essay for design, what I do like if it is math, I put math balance. It is activity, I put okay.
Okay, yeah, yeah,
Like that.
nice. Even I should keep that. Maths, I'll also do that. But you know what, with my, I will not try today. I will not try today because already I have a network problem. We'll do it some other day. Even I want the same background. That's cool. Maths, maths, maths. So everybody had your breakfast. Should we spare us? Umayma, Yusuf, Muhammad Ali. What's the problem?
I will call him Muhammad Ali if it's not there.
Okay, wait, I'll just put it in the group. Okay. I've already, okay, Yusuf is there. Good morning, Yusuf.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
Good, ma'am.
Muhammad Ali Rock Band. Oh, wow.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Muhammad Ali. What happened? Lazy mornings? Even I want to see your rock band. Where is it? Even I want to see. Muhammad Ali. Are I'm asking you. I'm not kidding. Look, if you like singing, it's very nice to have hobbies, you know, and work on that hobbies. It's never like, okay, you should not have hobbies, you should not sing or you should not dance. Yeah, Muhammad Ali, you love singing or what? Nice. Someday we'll keep a session like what all are your hobbies? Dancing, singing, what is it? Painting. And I'll ask that person, I'm like the person to do it. Okay? Yeah, so what? We should have some such session. Na?
Yeah.
Good morning, Manha. Where were you? Where is Umayma? Why didn't she make up to the class?
I don't know.
Okay, nobody knows. Fine. Should we start? Last time, what did we do?
Yes, ma'am.
Last time, what did we do? Where are your books? Where are your books? You cannot sit in the maths class without book and pencil. I made this clear a long time ago. You shouldn't sit for maths class without your book. Maths is all about books. Whatever examples, whatever I give you, you should write it. Okay? Chalo. Lovely, Sidra. Maths, maths, maths. I did, should we, last time, what have we done? We have done the how to reduce a fraction. Means how to solve a fraction, how to reduce the fraction in simple form. Share screen. I'm enabling the annotation and I want specific people to solve this fraction except for Umar because he was not there. So it doesn't make any sense asking Umar because he missed a session. Chalo. Sidra.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I have enabled the annotation. You can reduce this fraction into simple form. Means you can divide it. In other words, divide this fraction. Make it in simple form. Sidra, you have to see 4 and 6 goes in which table together? In which one table it comes together? Yes. Then you what you'll do? 2 into what is 4? You don't write 2. You keep 2 in your brain. You keep 2 in your mind. What is 2 into? What is 2 and what is 2? Sorry, 2 into what is 4? I'm so sorry. 2 is what is 4? Yes, just write that 2 over here. And 2 into what is 6? Tell me.
2 3s are.
Yes. Okay. So this is, your answer is 2 into 3. Chalo. Now I want Yusuf to answer this. I'll give now big numbers. Huh? This is very small number, I'll take a big number. 40 divided by 48. How would you do this? Let me see how many of you can do it. 48. Okay, first, how would you think? Mustafa, what is the first step that you should think about? What is it? Tell me. That 40, 48 comes together in which table? That's the first step. Yeah, Mustafa, tell me.
8 table.
In?
What?
8 table.
Very nice, very nice. Now, Mustafa, keep 8 in your mind. Keep 8 in your mind and tell me what is 8 into, what gives 8 into what will give me 40?
8 5s are 40.
Very nice. What about 48? 8? No, it's wrong. It's wrong.
Ma'am,
Yeah?
ma'am, 9 5s are 45.
No, it's wrong. For I am asking for 48. It's not 45, Humaira.
Ma'am,
Yes, yes. 8.
Ma'am, 8 6.
Wait. Mustafa told that 40 and 48 comes together in 8's table. So why are we going to 9 and all? We have to check out for 8's table. 8 into what is 48?
8 6.
So the answer is what? 5 by 6. Umar, are you understanding little bit? Yeah, Umar? Chalo, next question. Now let me see how many of my kids can answer this. I want Mohammad Ali to answer this.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
What is this?
100. It's very easy. Mohammad Ali, if you want, you can annotate also. Huh? I have given you that permission. Mohammad Ali, are you listening, beta?
I can hear you.
Yeah, you can do it, beta. And listen, I'm turning off my camera. It doesn't mean you also turn off your camera and go away. Huh? I'm telling you. What are you doing? Wait. First, let me clear it out. Wait. Mohammad Ali, wait. This is really getting a lot of messy. Sorry.
Ma'am, this is Yusuf. I got it.
Okay, Mohammad Ali, go on. Mohammad Ali, go on. Okay, what have you done, Mohammad Ali? Will you explain? What have you done? Mohammad Ali, unmute yourself and speak up.
Oh, yes, I was in it.
Yeah.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
50 comes in 10 table.
Okay.
So 10 multiplied by 5 is 50. And 100, 10 multiplied by
10 is 100. So, beta, what is this? Is it? Okay, listen, Mohammad Ali. What is this? Is it 3 or it is 5?
It is 5.
Okay, it's 5. So, you tell me one thing. 0 and 0 is there, na? I'll write it for you. Wait. Mohammad Ali, I'll write it for you. This, na? So, 0 and 0 is still there. You mean to say 50 upon 10 is the answer? That's what you mean? Yeah, Mohammad Ali, that's what you mean? Is it 5 upon 10 or 50 upon 10? Yeah, Mohammad Ali? Mohammad Ali, unmute yourself. I want answer from you.
50 upon
50 upon 10 or 5 upon 10? What is it? What is it? You tell me. Everybody else. Is it 5 upon 10 or 50 upon 10?
5 upon 10.
5
5 upon 10.
Because Muhammad Ali, what did you say? What did you say? This 10 fives are.
5 upon 10.
And this comes in tens. Okay. Listen, he's not wrong. He's not wrong. But this can be further reduced. This can be further reduced to into simple numbers, simple form. How? 5 and 10 together comes in which table? 5 and 10 together comes in which table?
30.
What 30? 5 and 10 together comes in which table? 5's table. 5's table. So keep 5 in your mind. 5, how many sides? 5? 1. And 5, how many sides? 10? 2. So what is the answer? What is the answer? Tell me. 1 by 1 upon 2.
1 upon 2.
That's the final answer. Muhammad Ali. Yusuf, what did you get? Yusuf, tell me.
Ma'am, I also got the same answer.
Yeah? What are you saying?
Ma'am, I also got the same answer.
Okay, lovely. Someone is having some doubt. Yeah, tell me, Humaira, where are you roaming?
Ma'am, answer 2.
You have to. Please mute yourself. Sidra is having a question. Yeah, Sidra, tell me.
Yeah, ma'am, from 1 upon 2 is equal to 2.
Bas, that's the final answer, beta. 1 by 2, that's it. Okay?
Okay.
Yes.
Ma'am?
Yeah?
Ma'am, in this story reducing fraction.
Sidra, I'm unable to get you. Can you just type it? Can you just message me privately? That would be better so I can understand it clearly. And I can solve your doubt. Okay, the fraction part is done. Now, should we go to another method? Umayma is absent today, right? Okay. Should we go to another part?
Yes. No, 1 minute.
Okay. Chalo, write it. Umar.
Yes.
Umar, you tell me how would you solve this, Umar? Now Umar's turn. Umar will try for the simple one. This is a fraction. Do you agree? What is fraction?
Yes.
Fraction means I'll explain.
Wait, one number.
Any look. A number above line and number below line is a fraction. The number above the line is called numerator and the number below the line is called denominator. Okay? Okay. Look, is it a fraction, Umar? Is it a fraction?
Yes.
Yes. Now tell me, I have to reduce this. I have to make it simple. I have to make it in simple form. So what you have to think, 2 and 4 comes in which table? 2 and 4 together comes in which table? Everybody mute yourself except for Umar.
2 2s are.
Yes. 2 2s are what? 2 2s are what?
4.
And what about 2? 2 into what will give me 2?
4.
No. 2 into what equals to 2? Yeah, Umar? 2 into what equals to 2?
1.
Yes. So 2, you have to keep 2 in your mind. And write the number which is divisible by it. And this is 2. So what is the answer?
12.
No, it's not 12. It's a fraction. 1 by 2. You cannot write 12. Look. Umar, this and this, Umar, have a different meaning, beta. Okay, this have a different meaning. It is a fraction and this is a number. Okay, Umar?
Yes.
Chalo, let's take one more example for Umar. 16 upon 8. Chalo, Umar, tell me. They together comes in which table?
What?
16 and 8 together comes in which table?
16 and 8. 1 by 8
Yes?
No,
Think. Mustafa, are you understanding, Mustafa?
Yes.
Are you understanding? Have you understood this part?
2, ma'am. 2.
What? No, you didn't.
What?
Have you understood? Huh? Are say yes or no, say something.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Umar, 16 and 8 together comes in 8's table. What is 8 ones are?
8.
And what about 8 twos are?
14.
No, it's 16. So
Yes.
8 ones are and 8 twos are. So what is the answer? Tell me, Umar, what is the answer?
2.
2 by 1. To this dash we call is at by.
2 ones are.
No, no, no. 2 by 1. Say 2 by 1, not 2 ones are. Say 2.
2 by 1.
Yes, very nice. For fractions, we say by. Now, is it clear? Now, Umar, listen. Whenever we have 1 in the denominator, 1 below the line. So just ignore the 1 and write the number which is above. That is 2. Okay? Okay?
Yes.
Yes. Chalo. It's now time is up. Huh? Now I'm going to other part. That is number line method. Division by number line method. Okay? Should I clear this, everybody?
Yes,
Come on,
ma'am.
kids.
Yay.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Now this is visible to everyone. Yeah, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, visible now. Now look what is happening over here. Yeah.
Ma'am, we have done this number
Yes,
line.
yes. Nice, nice. We have done this. Very nice, Manha. You remember this. But still, I'm doing a revision for you. Look, kids, wait. What am I doing over here? First, tell me first understand the flow of the chapter division. What are we doing? We are doing different methods to divide the two numbers. Okay. First, we did by what? Through fraction. Am I right? First was through fraction. Now, second method is what? Through division through number line. Hello. Division through number line. Everybody listening. Otherwise, I'll think I'm not audible to you. Please say yes or no. Otherwise, I'll think I'll just keep talking over here.
Yes,
And I'll think there is some connectivity issue. Okay. So the second method I'm doing, that is division through number line. Okay. First, we will try to understand from these examples. Then I'll give you many examples. Other examples also. 12 divided by 4. It's very easy. Which number is here? Which is your divisor? Look, this is called divisor. This is called divisor. I hope everybody knows this. This is called what?
Ma'am, 12 is called dividend.
Very nice. Who said that? Who said that? Lovely, lovely.
And the answer is ma'am, the answer is 4.
But how did you get? Answer is not 4, huh? Answer is not 4. For your kind information, look. First, let me say something. I'll give you many examples. You know now my method of teaching. I'll first teach you with 2 and 2 examples. Then we'll discuss about the other examples.
3. Ma'am, the answer is 3.
How? You have to get it through number line. Usually, here we don't get the answer by the normal division method. Here we have to get it through number line. Understand the method. How you would do divide the two numbers. Wait. First, no, I am not listening anyone for sure, because the problem is I'm getting a lot of distraction. Then first, please, everybody mute yourself. Everybody mute yourself. Mute yourself, everyone. I could still hear the voice. Mariam, mute yourself. Yeah, that's better now. Yes, that's better. Look, now here what you have to do. I'll just turn on my camera first. Okay. Look, what you have to do over here. Number line is giving to me. This is my dividend and this is my divisor. What I have to do? With the help of the divisor, I have to reach till dividend. Did you get it? With the help of the divisor, I'll reach to dividend. Okay, that's my method. First, on a number line, what is my divisor? What is my divisor? Now you can speak. 4. Take one jump till 4. Take one jump till 4. I'll take the another color. No, not the, I'll take black. This is better. Then I didn't reach to 12 now. Take another jump to from 4 to, keep adding only 4, 8. Now still I didn't reach to 12. Take one more jump of 4. Then I'll reach to what? Then I'll reach to what? 12. So this is called number line method. It's very easy. Now tell me what would be the, wait, what is the answer? How many jumps did I make? How many jumps did I make? 3. So this is your answer. Okay, this is your answer. Now tell me one thing. What is the remainder over here? Tell me the remainder. Yes, the remainder when dividend is completely divided by divisor, then the remainder is 0. 12 comes in fourth table now. 12 comes in fourth table. Yes, remainder is 0. Okay, remainder is 0 and Q3 is quotient. We will do this all in detail. But this is all like revision for you. Chalo, should we go to next question now?
Yes.
Next example? Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am, division is like a question as like 4 multiplied by what is equal to 12. So
Yes.
it's
Who's saying that?
4
Who's saying
divided,
that?
ma'am, me, Muhammad Ali.
Very nice. Very nice.
So 4
observation.
divided by 12.
Yes. Very nice.
Same it is. Missing. It's like missing numbers.
It is like, look,
of
if you see this, 4 3s is what? 12. Am I right? 4 3s is 12.
Yeah.
So when does 12 comes in fourth table? It's like that. The missing number.
Yeah.
You are right. Yes. Very good, Muhammad Ali. Chalo, next.
Ma'am, can you please go ahead? I'm done. Ma'am, when my sister was learning multiplication, I told her this. And then she came to know.
Okay. Very nice. Chalo. 28 divided by 7. These are very simple questions where your remainder are totally 0. We will do the questions where your remainder are not 0. And still we will represent the division on number line. So in that part, you'll get the problem. We will do every type of question. Okay. Yeah. Chalo. Look, what is the divisor? What is the divisor?
7.
What is the dividend?
7.
What is the dividend?
28.
Where do I have to reach? Where do I have to reach? 28.
28.
By taking how long jump? 7 steps. 7 steps, yes. Not 7 steps basically. I have to take a jump till 7. That's better. 7 steps make a 1 jump doesn't make any sense. So what you'll say? You have to reach till 7 in your first jump. That's better now. So first jump. Did I reach 28? No. Take next. 7 2s are 14. Now take, did I reach to 28? No. 7 3s are 21. Did I reach to 28? No. 7 4s are. Did I reach to 28? Yes.
Yes.
This is what? This is what? This is your division through number line. How many jumps did I make? 1, 2, 3. Your answer is 4. Okay? Okay, now let's go to this question. I am not showing you that question. The reason behind that is I want my kids to solve it. No. Please excuse me for my sign, my division symbol.
Okay.
Yeah, chalo. Now what is the number? What is the number? 84. How would you represent your number line?
We have to jump till
yeah.
84.
Yes, yes. First, let me make till a number. I'm sorry, this line just consider as a straight line. Okay. Where will I start from? 0? 0 to what?
0.
Till what?
6. 0, 6.
Then?
6.
Then?
12.
Then?
18.
Then?
18.
Then?
24.
Then?
24.
Then?
30.
Don't you think, okay kids, listen one thing. If I'll go by 6, 12. So this is taking a lot of, this is taking a time. So think about it. What is 6 tens? What is 6 tens?
60.
Yes, take a long jump. Look, take a long jump till 60. But consider that you came to 60 by how many jumps? By how many small jumps?
10.
Yes, remember this. Remember this. Don't take this as 1. 6 tens is 60. Okay. So that long jump consists of that small 10 jumps. Okay. Now, how much is left? I have to reach till 84. How much is left? I'm only till
now 66.
No, think.
66. 10.
Okay, chalo, we'll go to 66. Chalo. Then 66 to what?
72.
72. Okay, then
64.
78.
keep adding 6. Keep adding 6. 78. Then 84. Now can anybody tell me in how many jumps this was possible?
4.
No?
5.
No?
14. 15. 15.
How it can be 5? How it can be 5, Sidra? I told you consider this as 10. Consider this as 10.
No, 4.
So 10, it's 14. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It's 14. Have you understood? Sidra, have you understood?
Yes.
I cannot I cannot take this as 1 because 6 tens is 60. Try to understand. And 6 14s is 84. So how I can take 5? 6 5s is 30. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. One more question should we do? Okay. I want to make a changes over here. Everybody, I want to make a changes over here. Who's doing that? Oh, my line went away. Now again, I have to draw it. No issues. I'll draw it again. Okay, chalo. Now, listen to me very carefully. I came to 60. This is a very, a shortcut method. You don't have to go again for 66, then 72, then 78, then 84. Now tell me, how much is 84 minus 60? How much is 84 minus 60? Think. This is a maths class. Welcome to maths. You have to think. Open your brain. Yusuf, I want answer from you. 84 minus 60 is how much?
14.
84 minus
84
60.
minus 60. Ma'am, 14.
No. Muhammad Ali, Mustafa, 84 minus 60.
24.
Perfect. What is it? 24. Now tell me 6 into what will give me 24?
24.
6, look. I came to directly to 84. 6 into what will give me 24? Tell me. Don't know? 6 into what will give me 24? 6 4s is 24. So add this 4 and add this 10. Add this 10 and add this 4. And you'll get what? 14.
40.
Yes. This is also a way in which you can do it. Let's take one more example. Let's take one more example. Then we will end this session. Chalo. Wait, just the good examples are given here. Oh, this is nice. Sidra, pay attention over here, Sidra. After the session get over, you can then concentrate over there, beta. Chalo. Now, how many of you will do this? Mohammad Ali, can you do it? The sum. You have to represent this division. Number 9. You don't know Mohammad Ali?
I cannot see.
Sorry?
I don't see 82 divided by 6.
Arey beta, but you should know all this method.
What language?
Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, may I try?
Yeah, you have to try. Here, I am not saying that you have to get me the right answer only. Okay? You're getting right answer is not the criteria. You're trying, you taking efforts. That's the main thing. Chalo. OMG. Oof. That's better, right? Now tell me, where you'll reach? 8 to think.
Ma'am, but we can
Yusuf,
see
can you try?
divided by
Yeah, Yusuf.
6.
Look, try to get the maximum number. Try to get the maximum number from the 8th table.
Ma'am, this is Yusuf, but I can see only black screen.
What? Black?
I can see only black screen.
Why? And what about others? What about
Ma'am,
others?
I can see only 84 multiplied by 6 equal to 14, 0, 6, 12, 60, 84. That
I also can see.
Wait. You are not able to see my whiteboard?
I
ma'am, we are able to see, but
Ma'am,
we are able to see.
I cannot
see.
Ma'am, I'm able to see your whiteboard.
Okay. What about others? I have just stopped sharing.
Ma'am,
We can see your whiteboard, but it is that 84 divided by 6.
Yeah. Only that part.
yes.
Okay. What about you, Muhammad Ali, Mustafa, Umar and Yusuf?
Ma'am, I can't see black.
Now can you see?
Yes.
Yusuf, now can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo. Now tell me, which number should I take? Think.
8.
Look, 80 will not work over here, kids. If you see 80, 192 is such a big number. And 8 tens is what? You have to think. 8 tens is what?
8 tens are 80.
But 80 is still so small, na? 192 is such a big number. Let's do one thing. Let's say 80 into 2. Let me double this 80. How many times it will become? Tell me. Think.
80 to the
Think. Yusuf, you are right. How much?
Ma'am, 80 20s are 180.
No. Look, you have to do like this. 2 8s is how much? 2 8s are?
2 8s are 16.
And just put 1 0. That's it. In this way, you have to do the multiplication. When zeros are there, okay? Got it? 160. Got it? Look.
20 is a 160.
Now directly make, wait.
It's 0.0416.
Wait.
उसके ऊपर कभी नहीं करना.
Is this fine if I write like this? Instead of writing 80 into 2,
Okay.
can I say 8 into 20? Will do?
Okay.
Will do one and the same thing. 1 and the same thing. 8 2s are 16 and then 0. Look, I came till 160. 160 is smaller number than 192 and much nearby to 192. So I am coming till here. By how many jumps? Tell me. By how many steps? Tell me how many? 20. 20. Now minus this. 192 minus 160. How much is the answer? 192 minus 160.
32.
32. And 8 into what will give me 32? Think. 8 will with 8 into what will give me 32? 8. You have to be thorough with 8 4. So add these two. Add these two. Look, you got it. Such a big number. This thing. What do we say? The factor for 192. Now add this. What do you get? 20 plus 4.
24.
So 8 into what is 192? 8 into what is 192?
24.
Yes. 24. This is through number line. You could do with by other method also. By normal division method. I will teach you that also. But this is through number line. Okay. These are the bigger number which I have taken with you. You can do it with small number also. Let's take one more example like, what do we say? 27 divided by 9. What it could be? Tell me. 27 divided by 9. How would you do this?
9 2s are 20.
Yeah, tell me. Start
from
from 0. First 9.
9
Then
3s are 27.
9.
18.
Yes.
Then 9 3s are 27.
But you have to represent through number line. I try to understand. Otherwise, it's very easy. Okay. So the answer is 3. 3 jumps to 3. Okay, kids. You have to write this. Do you want to write this?
No.
Okay. Take a screenshot if you want.
I don't want.
Okay. Chalo, when we'll meet next, I'm going to do this thing.
I
But don't,
take a screenshot.
listen. Kids, listen. Don't get confused. Even if you think this is a big numbers, we are not getting it, it's okay. You have to deal with small numbers only. So don't get confused. Have you understood the method of number line?
Yes,
How to? Yes, that is the main thing. Because in your textbook, there are very small numbers. I have taken big numbers for you. But even if you didn't understand, you got it little bit, it's okay. Okay? In your textbook, only 2-digit, 3-digit numbers are there. Not worry about it. Yeah?
Talat ma'am, when we will do chunking method?
After this is chunking method. Okay?
But we already know this.
What? Number line? Number line?
Yes.
No, but I have to do this first with you. Then only I'll go to chunking method. I have to go, look, wait, I'll share it with you. Wait.
No, she is telling we have done this.
You know chunking method, Sidra?
No.
Look. First, we have to solve this. Understanding? First, we will do this. Yeah, you can imagine, kids, I've started with your division lecture from past 1 week, but we haven't done any sum from the textbook. The reason behind this is I am doing what? I am doing the basics with you. I am clearing your concepts with you so that when we come to the textbook question, things get easier for you. Okay? We will do this and then we will do this division number line method. Then we will go to chunking method. Okay. Have you understood? How are we going to do? Chalo then.
Yes.
Yes. Number line method, I'm going to ask everyone on Wednesday. Huh? But I'll give you simple numbers. Till then, bye. Take care. And Humaira, I'll forward you the fractions worksheet. Okay. Not to you, to everyone. Humaira, are you there?
Yes, ma'am, I'm there.
Okay. Chalo.
Ma'am, where do you send?
Google Classroom, beta. Okay.
On Google Classroom, it's okay.
Okay. Chalo. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye. Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye everyone. Happy weekend.